You probably noticed that some of your competitors hire marketing agencies to handle their content. But here's the thing. Even if you don't have a marketing partner, you can still do things on your own that give you a real edge. Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative, where we help small businesses make every marketing dollar count by maxing it out, if you will, in creative ways. Today, I'm talking to the DIYers, the business owners running the show without a marketing team behind them. The good news, you can do a lot on your own that your competitors aren't doing, even the ones who pay marketing companies. Because believe me, I know it from that side, when you ask over and over and over for things like real pictures with real people or video testimonials, even sometimes clients that are paying for help, they just don't do it. They don't see the value in it. So I'm saying if you're doing it by yourself without a marketing agency, this is a leg up for you. It's an easy win. Here's where to start. Photos. People want to see people. Okay, it's one thing to see job sites, but a job site with a smiling person or the person doing the job or the customer that the job's for, that's going to win every time. You don't have to search very hard to find the analytics that will back that statement up. People want to see people, not stock photos. Snap real pictures of your team, your customers, and your work. According to MDG Advertising, real photos increase engagement by 35% compared to stock imagery or just a picture of a job site. So don't overthink it. Your smartphone is good enough, by the way. Videos. In 2025, short form video is the king of content. You know that. TikTok, Insta Reels, YouTube Shorts, which is my favorite, all of them are pushing video. HubSpot reports that short videos are the most engaging type of content, with 66% of marketers saying they deliver the highest ROI. You don't need a production crew. A 30-second clip of you answering a common customer question can beat a polished ad every time. Fresh content, Google and even AI tools like ChatGPT are scanning your online presence for your activity. If your website, blog, or Google business profile hasn't been updated in months, you're falling behind. We've talked about that before. Bright Local says businesses with consistent GBP updates get 3 times more engagement than those who don't. That's free visibility you can control, okay? And reviews, we've talked about reviews. I'm going to talk about it again. Agencies can't generate your reviews for you. They can't. They can set up automations in a CRM that can get it when you close a job or ask for payment, that they'll ask them via text or email for a review. We can do that for our customers. Ask every happy customer for feedback. Reviews not only help you rank on Google Maps, but in 2025, they're shaping how AI tools recommend businesses in search results. Okay? They are. That means reviews could literally decide whether your name comes up or your competitors. So here's the takeaway. You don't need an agency necessarily to make real progress. With a little consistency, snapping photos, filming short videos, posting updates, and asking for reviews, you can actually outpace competitors who rely too heavily on an outside partner. And believe me, some of those outside partners aren't getting what they need from their clients. So just a circle. The best marketing doesn't always come from a polished campaign. It comes from real businesses showing real work and real people. End of story. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. If this helped or made you think about something in a different way, please consider liking and subscribing. Share this video with another DIYer if you'd like. Seriously, it's not rocket science, but it is a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, and it just depends on how bad you want it. That's what it boils down to.